today's video, I thought we'd just sit down and play around with the Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish palette. This is just this beautiful palette that was in the September Boxycharm base box that I received, and you guys knew how much I wanted this palette. So this is the look that we did create today, step by step. You can follow me along. You guys know I'm not a makeup artist. I just like to sit and play in makeup, and if I can create this, you can create this too. Anyways guys, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where you guys slowly see how the bang starts to enter into my body and I wake up a little bit more, which now I'm wide awake and I'm not even done yet, so we love that for us. Anyways guys, hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me over on TikTok and Instagram as well. There is a giveaway going on over on Instagram, and I'd love to have you guys follow me over there as well. I upload all the time over here, so there's always something for everybody. Anyways guys, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay guys, so jumping right into a little information about the Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish palette. I'm going to first off point to any and all colors that I use out of this palette, y'all. Like I was saying when I did my unboxing, I took French in high school. I still can't speak French. I struggle speaking English, so I know there's no way that Spanish is going to miraculously come to my brain and I'll be able to speak it well. So I'm just gonna point because of that. So anyways, this is what the palette looks like up close. Like I said, this was in our Boxycharm base box that they did send over for me to unbox and review for you guys. And you guys know I wanted this palette so bad. I just thought it was absolutely beautiful. I'm super excited because the day that the Boxycharm base box, I believe it was, went up, Alamar Cosmetics announced that they are actually going to be sold at Target as well. So I thought that was pretty exciting. So just in case you didn't happen to get this palette in your box, that you can go and pick it up potentially at your local Target. So what I did is I've gone ahead, I have primed my lids with my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base, which by the time this video goes up, I do believe this will be back in stock if it's not already. And I am going to go ahead and just set it with my C-Color Cosmetics. This is just the soft natural palette. If you guys have been with me for a while, you guys know I always use this color up here, and I set my entire lid. This is like a very affordable palette by C-Color Cosmetics, guys. I want to say it's maybe $8 or something. This is actually a dupe for the Too Faced natural palette. They have the soft natural and they also have the soft matte, which I do have sitting up here because I do use the matte in here as well. You guys can see, boom. And code HOTMESS10 does save you 10% over and over again at C-Color Cosmetics. So I'm gonna go ahead, zoom you guys in, and we're gonna get started on this look. And yes, your girl's in her PJs and she's drinking her bang. Happy day. So like I said, I am going to go in with my C-Color Cosmetics palette, and I am going to just go ahead and set my lid with this like bone vanilla shade. As far as the casing or the packaging goes, guys, it is in your standard type of cardboard packaging. It is very pretty, and there is a nice size mirror in here as well. So let's go ahead and we'll jump into this really pretty like pinky peach shade, and I'll use that as my transition. There's a little bit of kick up in this palette, but you guys know that doesn't bother me at all. Pretty much lets us know that it's gonna be pigmented, as we see here, top of that brush. You guys know I love Alamar Cosmetics formula. We received a couple years ago her first palette in a Boxycharm, and I loved it. There's actually a dedicated video on my channel using that palette. I feel like we could keep it really simple and just go in with this shade. It's kind of hard to see. This really pretty like shimmery. Do I want that one or do I want this purple? Oh, I want the purple. We're going in with the purple. This shade right up in here. So I want to just go ahead and, oh my gosh, that's the color that I was like, oh, so excited over. That is so pretty. I'm going to add a little bit of the darker purple right here and right next to it, so they kind of mesh together right in the center. Now, I don't take shimmers or metallics out to the outer corner of my eye just because I do have mature lids. So I keep everything, like, you know, not all the way completely over, 3/4 of the lid maybe, because I don't want to accentuate any of, you know, my fine lines. I kind of want the focal point to really be these purples. I think I'm going to just try and build it up a smidge in the outer part with this like orangey shade. I'm just going to go in with a Rougher 13 brush. This is one of their new, I believe it's one of their newer brushes, and I just want to pat it right, oh yeah. Dang, that is pigmented. I just kind of want to stamp it and then I'll blend it out in a second. Put a little underneath. Okay, and then I'm going to blend it with my Sonia G Blender Pro really lightly. And I'm just lightly taking it up. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just playing and hoping for the best. But I wanted to put some sort of color out there, and this matte is working beautifully. And if you have like slightly hooded eyes like I do and you need like more of a precise type of brush, this is perfect. I'm having a little bit of fallout, but again, to me that's not a big deal. I'm just letting you guys know that you may experience that. I am a bit more on the heavy-handed side, so definitely make sure to tap your brush. Please hold, I have one of my homeschoolers that needs my attention. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back and I did go ahead line up my, well, first of all, I changed my top. This cute little vesty type of, I don't know, what would you call that? It's like one of those cute like kimonos. Glitzy girls. You guys know I'm obsessed with the Glitzy Girl boutique. Okay. On my lips, I did go ahead and use my Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice. I love the Sugar and Spice liner because I overline, as you guys can probably tell, I overline my lip a bit. Then I go in with Between the Sheets, this beautiful like peachy nude, press that into my lips, and then I finish it off with my Bougie Gloss, specifically only in the center of my lips. Oh my gosh, I definitely need more of my bang. I can tell I'm still like Okay guys, I've got you guys zoomed out, and let's talk a little bit about this palette. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's one of those things where I have played more and more in color, and I'm getting a bit more comfortable, as you guys can tell. Plus, I love like accenting my clothes to my eyelids now, you know, I mean, I don't know. I will have this Glitzy Girl Boutique kimono linked down below for you guys. But as far as this palette goes, I think it's an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous palette. I think it's so pretty. It's definitely complementary to her original palette as well. Now, like I said, you'll be able to find both of these palettes at Target. Now the difference is the packaging. You're not going to be able to get like this type of casing. From what I've seen online, it looks like it is a clear kind of casing, which to me, you know, makes it easier when you're shopping at Target so you can see what you're purchasing. Now the original packaging did not have a mirror, so this one does have a mirror in there. So I'm assuming if you purchase from her online store, you will get this type of packaging. And then, like I said, from what I can tell at the Target pictures that they have posted, you're getting like a clear type of case so you can see right in. So that's the only thing as far as that goes, but I don't think it's a big deal whatsoever. As far as the overall performance of these eyeshadows, I think they're beautiful from the ones that I have used, which I did 1, 2, 3, 4 of the shades out of the 8. Very pretty. And like I said, I think if you already have this one from a prior Boxycharm, you're gonna really like to add these together. And like I said, specifically complementary to this deep dark shade right here at the bottom. Ooh. Oh, I gouged it. Gosh darn it to heck. Anyways, this color down here would be really pretty to accent or to create some depth in there as well. But I mean, you can create, oh, this makes me so flippin' sad that I gouged it. You gotta be gentle, Rhonda. Ooh, okay. Anyways, but I mean, as you can see, we created a really pretty look with that. I just think if you're looking for a little bit deeper or more depth to it, that's one thing you may be lacking. But other than that, I think it's a perfect, beautiful gorgeous palette. So anyways, I think if you received this palette or you plan on picking up this palette, you're going to love it. As far as the formula, everything blended out beautifully. You guys know I'm not a makeup artist. I just love to play in makeup. So for me, I don't have like a lot of intricate techniques or anything like that, and I found it very, very easy to work with this formula. I think you will as well. I will tell you guys, I have played around with these shimmers. You can use like a, hold on, let me try and find one. You can use a synthetic type of brush to pick it up, and it works just as well, but I love getting a lot of that payoff by using my fingers. Don't worry guys, I will be doing more looks over on Instagram as well as over here for you guys. Like I said, I will have everything linked and listed down below. Again, if you are curious about my lipstick, it is the Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice lip liner paired with her Between the Sheets lipstick, and then I call it my bougie gloss. It's the Gerard Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Shimmer of Hope, and that is what I have on my lips. On my face, I do have the Huda Beauty foundation. I'm actually really liking this foundation paired with her new concealer. I am actually going to be filming a video showing you guys kind of like a haul and some PR things that I've received. And then my highlight is by OFRA Cosmetics. I actually have a coupon for OFRA Cosmetics if you guys are interested to save 20% off. This one is the highlighter in the shade Soho, which I know they were having a huge sale before. Code HOTMESS will save you 20%, and code HOTMESS at Gerard Cosmetics will save you 30% over there as well if you guys are interested. And then of course the C Color Cosmetics palette, the shade in here I did pair with the Spanglish palette, and code HOTMESS10. I'm just dropping all the codes. Will save you 10% over there. So everything will be linked and listed down below for you guys, including my little kimono top. This is just a cami I picked up at Maurice's like years and years ago. So there's that. But anyways guys, thank you so much for stopping by, watching this. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget there is a giveaway going on over on Instagram. I'd love to have you guys follow me over there. I'm trying to get that 10K. I'm also over on TikTok as well. Hopefully it's still around when this video gets uploaded. I'm kind of just doing random dances over there. Nothing, it's just having fun. Just letting loose, you know what I mean? Anyways guys, hopefully you decide to stick around and subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I do upload over here Monday through Friday at 12:15, and then if I upload on the weekends, I do upload at 9 p.m. Eastern time. So I'd love to have you join our family. So until next time friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye.